We're here to commemorate the one-year anniversary of the opening of the Monument Garage, a facility designed to enhance mobility in our community. This is a facility that is designed to support a multimodal transportation system that includes bus service, biking, walking, and ride sharing. The purpose of doing it multimodal was to ensure that people have alternatives to driving within our county that reduces congestion and supports the county's climate goals. This is more than just a garage. This is the key linchpin of our multimodal transportation system in this portion of Fairfax County. Traffic is a huge problem in Fairfax County, especially along the I-66 corridor. And what we hope to do is provide an alternative for people to get from point A to point B, both east and west and north and south within the county, starting from right here at Monument Garage. You have trails that also connect here that you can use in order to ditch the car and use your bike to access Monument Garage, and from there catch a bus to practically anywhere.
So from the construction material to the energy efficient lighting and the smart ventilation system, sustainability has been the core of the decision on any design. In terms of the eco-friendly elements, the solar arrays here actually has the capability to achieve net zero energy, where we give back the excess energy to the grid. On a day like today, which is pretty beautiful, we actually produce about over 1,600 kilowatt hours of energy, which is same as the capability to power over 40 homes. This garage is designed not just as a parking facility, but as a seamless connection between different modes of transportation.